Hi scholars, welcome to our channel where we discuss topics and trends in education, self-mastery, and lifelong learning. Today we discuss the use of artificial intelligence and the likelihood of it replacing human educators. Imagine a future without teachers where classrooms team with artificial intelligence, where avatars easily accommodate each student's unique abilities, talents, learning styles, and preferences. Will AI perform the job so well that our teachers become obsolete? Or will educators only be responsible for the empathetic coaching part of the job that promises a welcoming and safe environment for students to thrive with their AI teachers? Let's delve into this thought-provoking, awe-inspiring, or perhaps anxiety-inducing question. In a traditional classroom, at the helm is the human teacher, a figure of wisdom, guidance, and authority. We know that the teacher's role is multifaceted, from imparting knowledge to nurturing each student's potential to flourish. Teachers can adapt to students' unique learning pace, provide emotional support, and instill values and ethics. Their intuitive understanding of human behavior and emotions makes them irreplaceable. Now, enter artificial intelligence. AI can automate repetitive and monotonous tasks that take away from teachers' time with students, like writing lesson plans, grading work, and recording attendance. Surely teachers would prefer to spend more time with people than paper. In this regard, AI can be used to provide personalized learning paths and utilize data to quickly identify gaps in a student's understanding. Whether we realize it or not, schools and districts have already integrated AI into their classrooms. If you have observed systems that automatically grade assignments or offer speech recognition, then you are no stranger to the role that AI plays in education today. Wouldn't it be just perfect, though, if AI could also do lunch duty and handle student misbehavior too? Well, that may be a stretch. But overall, AI-powered instructors are designed to be super-powered machines that never sleep, always available and willing to accommodate students right when they need direction, guidance, and feedback. However, AI is not without its drawbacks. It obviously lacks the human touch and the ability to truly understand emotions. Moreover, AI is only as good as its programming. It cannot think outside the box or adapt to unforeseen circumstances the way a human teacher can. In many instances, AI is programmed, inadvertently or not, to perpetuate biases against particular groups. Doing a simple internet search on the matter produces tens of thousands of results that speak to AI prejudices from the New York Times, Forbes, NPR, and other reputable sources. Clearly, our society could do without biases from people, let alone biases from brainless and sentient programs. So, to address the reason you clicked on this video, can AI replace human teachers? The answer is not as simple as you may think. Yes, AI has the potential to revolutionize education, making it more personalized, efficient, and accessible. Yes, you'll see later in this video how a few schools selected effective programs over employable people. But no, AI cannot replace the human connection, empathy, and creativity that a human teacher brings to the table. In fact, the future of education likely lies not in choosing between human teachers and AI, but in combining their strengths. AI can take over administrative and repetitive tasks, analyze data, and provide personalized learning resources, freeing up human teachers to focus on what they do best: inspire, guide, and nurture. As mentioned earlier, several schools have already reported using AI to provide instruction where adults in classrooms act as coaches instead of teachers. At least one school in the UK is using AI as its headmaster or principal. Quite interesting, isn't it? Although researchers report that AI is unlikely to supplant educators' jobs, reports like these can make the general public think the opposite. Only time will tell. The only sure thing is that we must continue to stay abreast of educational advances, sharpen our skills, and use AI to our advantages. Although researchers contend that human teachers will remain the heart of the classroom, AI will, most certainly, serve as a powerful tool to enhance learning. The ideal future of education is not a battleground between human teachers and AI, but a collaboration where they work together in harmony. To be transparent, this channel shares videos produced through the careful collaboration of a veteran educator and AI. So, to recap, AI can automate tasks, personalize learning, and analyze data, but it lacks the human touch and adaptability of a human teacher. The future of education will likely see AI and human teachers working together, combining their strengths to provide a holistic and efficient learning experience. Artificial intelligence in education is a fascinating topic, one that sparks imagination and debate. But one thing is certain, the role of a teacher, whether human or artificial, is to facilitate learning and inspire curiosity. And that is a mission that transcends the boundaries of technology. So, scholars, what is your opinion? Do you think AI will eventually eliminate the need for teachers? Also, do you think AI will cause more good or more harm in education? Let us know your perspectives in the comments. Please visit our blog on thescholarsplace.com for more education news and resources. Until next time, be scholarly.